The Day and a Life of a Benjamin Aviation. Oh, okay, another day again. Alright, well, I wonder what it will be interesting for today, seeing how I have some stuff to do. Anyway, let me go explore. I think my friends are waiting to play with me. I'll go. Oh, hi, Benjamin. What are you doing? Are you doing okay? I am not him. And why am I switching shapes? Anyway, I am actually not him. I'm a Reporter Airlines Emirates E195E2. I think he's over there. Oh, I get it. Okay. I swear I heard somebody calling me earlier. I wonder who it is. But let me go check it out in case. Oh, it's Hannah. Hi. Well, today it's another day, but for some reason this wind is pushing. Whoa! Ouch! Oh no! What's happening? Homework! Boo doot 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 doot. Homework is everywhere! Homework is everywhere! Why is there homework? At least you get to have free time and recess, right? Actually, you're kind of right, Sahana. You're actually kind of right, though. Like, I have free time, recess. I don't have to worry that much. Anyways, my next flight is coming soon. Oh! School ended. Well, see you next time, Sahana. I'm leaving, and I'm preparing for my another flight. Whee! Alright. Oh, what's happening to me? Hold up. Alright. What's happening? Alright, bye. I see you next time. What are they talking about, though? What are they talking about, by the way? The end. This is a day and a life of Benjamin Aviation at school. Part 1. Part 2 coming soon.